To start investing with M1 Finance, begin by understanding the platform and its features. M1 Finance is a brokerage firm that allows you to invest in a variety of assets, including stocks, bonds, and exchange-traded funds. The platform is known for its low costs, ease of use, and flexibility. First, go to the M1 Finance website and sign up for an account. You will need to provide basic personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once you have submitted your application, M1 Finance will verify your identity and approve your account. Next, fund your account by linking a bank account or transferring funds from another brokerage firm. M1 Finance does not charge any fees for deposits or withdrawals, and you can start investing with as little as $1. Now, it is time to build your investment portfolio. M1 Finance offers a range of pre-built portfolios, known as expert pies, which are designed to meet specific investment goals and risk tolerance. You can also create your own custom portfolio by selecting individual assets or a combination of assets. To create a custom portfolio, start by selecting the assets you want to invest in. You can choose from a wide range of stocks, bonds, and exchange-traded funds. Once you have selected your assets, you can allocate a percentage of your portfolio to each asset. For example, you may want to allocate 60% of your portfolio to stocks and 40% to bonds. M1 Finance also offers a feature called dynamic rebalancing, which automatically adjusts your portfolio to maintain your target asset allocation. This feature helps to reduce risk and increase potential returns over the long term. In addition to building your portfolio, it is also important to understand the fees associated with investing on M1 Finance. M1 Finance does not charge any management fees, but you may be subject to fees associated with buying and selling certain assets, such as exchange-traded funds. Finally, it is essential to monitor and adjust your portfolio over time. M1 Finance provides a range of tools and resources to help you track your performance and make adjustments as needed. You can also set up automatic investments to continue growing your portfolio over time. By following these steps and using the features and tools available on M1 Finance, you can start investing and working towards your long-term financial goals. Remember to always do your research, diversify your portfolio, and be patient, as investing is a long-term game. With M1 Finance, you can take control of your investments and achieve financial freedom.